You are brand new, you don't even know what a stock is. Perfect. We all start out where you are. So let's talk about what is a stock. Starting right at the get-go, and if you watch some of my other videos, you know that I love to use the pizza analogy for explaining the stock market and the basics. But there's really two key components of what is a stock. The first is, a stock itself, but the next is who is offering this stock? Where is this stock coming from? And it's coming from a company, or in our situation, our company is actually a pizza. So this pizza, remember the pizza is actually a company. With this pizza, the company, they're going to want to raise money. They want to get money. The lingo on Wall Street, the investing terminology is companies go public to raise money. How do they raise money? Well, they are going to sell off a portion of their company. And this is where stocks come into play. So in this situation, if they are going to sell off a portion of their pizza, what are they going to do? Hopefully you're saying, well, okay, they don't want to just give away the whole pizza, because if they gave away the whole pizza, that would be the same as giving away the whole company. And that's not what they're looking to do. They're just looking to give away a portion of it. So just like if you're looking to give up a portion of a pizza, what are you going to do? Well, you're going to get out, I don't even know what it's called, the pizza cutter. That's the worst looking pizza. Wow. Hey, I never claimed to be an artist, but yeah, that's a terrible pizza. But what I want to focus on here is this. And this is, well, if you've ever eaten a pizza, you know that is considered a slice of pizza. And this is what a stock is. A stock, or in other words, is going to be called a share. And I think we all learn what this is growing up as kids, right? You want to what? Share your toys. You want to share just in general. Sharing makes you a quality person. And that is what the company is doing with their company. They are sharing it. So that's why if you hear somebody say, do you own any shares of, and then insert in a company's name, another way they're saying is, do you own any stock of, and then you could say insert a company's name. Shares and stocks are the exact same thing. So a share equals a stock. Now, sharing is great. Sharing is, like I said, it makes you a quality individual. But let's circle back to what we originally started with. Why is a company dividing itself, slicing itself into different pieces in the first place? Because they want to raise money. So yes, they are willing to share with the public, but not freely share. It's going to cost money. And the price of what a share is going to cost has many different factors. And I have other videos on that, how stock prices are determined and stuff like that. But at the core, in terms of, this video, what is a stock? A stock is just a share, a portion of a much bigger company. And how much does a company want to give away of itself? Does it want to share with the general public? Well, again, that's a case-by-case basis. But that is what is going on in the markets. When companies go public, they are slicing themselves up and they are offering to share themselves for a price. And those shares, again, when they are sharing, that is just their way of offering stock. So these are interchangeable. I can't, harp on that enough, that they're one and the same. They mean the same thing, but that is what a stock is. It is a portion of a company, and then it gives you ownership in that company because you have paid for them to share it with you. And because you are sharing the same thing, in this case, a company, you are a partial owner of that company, which is really neat. So, if you go and let's just say you buy stock of Apple or Nike or Facebook or fill in or Coca-Cola, you are actually an owner of that company. Now, yes, you're a very, 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 very small owner of the company, but you have bought a piece of their pizza. They have offered to share it with you. You have agreed to pay the price that they're offering to share it. And now you are an owner of that company. You own stock in that company. You are a shareholder. All those terms you're going to hear more and more as you go on your education journey in the stock market. But as far as the stock, it's just simply a portion of the company that they are sharing with you for a price. If you are out there trading alone currently and maybe are in the market looking for a community to join to assist you in your trading or to just help you, give you another set of eyeballs, then I do have a private trading community where you can trade alongside me and other experienced traders. So what you see popping up on the screen right now is both an information link. So if you click on the inner circle one, that is going to take you to the page where I explain all the details of what exactly come with the community, both the chat room and the newsletter. And then the other image that has popped up is a behind the scenes tour where you can see exactly what is going to be contained within the community. I take you through, like I said, a behind the scenes tour of everything, and that way you'll know precisely what you are getting when you join. So definitely check that stuff out if you are interested and thinking about wanting to join a community, and let me know if you have any questions.